This is my 1990 Toyota Celica. I've just picked this up. It's been sitting in a field for 15 years. And in this video, it's the start of my biggest project yet, bringing this thing back to life. This is a 1990 Mark V Toyota Celica. It's a turbocharged 2-litre engine and is 4-wheel drive. My biggest issue with this is it doesn't start yet. It's not started in 15 years when it last passed its MOT in 2011. So that's the first problem. Will it start? Does it even start? And will it run? And then we come on to will it drive? And on top of that, it's got over 100,000 miles. So the condition of this car, as you can already see, is not the greatest. Final goals with this is to get it road legal, to get it to pass its MOT, and to modify it in a way where it looks nice, it looks clean, and it just looks good as a road car. And then the final goal would be to have fun in it, to test out its rally heritage, and to show every step of the way of me returning this car to its former glory. But it's a big project. I'm going to learn a lot, hopefully learn how to weld, learn how to restore stuff. I'm going to take you through every step of the way, and we're just going to have fun with one of my dream cars, about learning a full package of restoring a car from start to finish. It's not ran in 15 years. It's got over 100,000 miles. So this is going to be a huge project. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you getting this thing started, getting it turning over, getting it firing, showing you the process of how I have done that.